Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer your Discord ownership to another member in your server. So you have to own your Discord server to, of course, do this. So you're just going to go to your server, go and scroll to the left and to the left again. You are going to go to the member you want to transfer your ownership to and click on their name. Go to manage user, and as you can see under administrative there is a transfer ownership button. Just click on it and don't forget to click the agree. I acknowledge that by transferring ownership of the server to Kiana, it officially belongs to them. So just press transfer, and I think they have to accept the ownership transfer, so I'm just gonna do that on my phone. Oh, I don't think I have to do that. And as you can see now, the other person has ownership to this server and can change nicknames and can kick people out, etc. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!